Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want us to talk about something, which is, can love and porn exist? Can they coexist? Can you love someone and still prefer to watch other people do it than to do it with your partner? Is it good to watch other people doing it and then do such on your loved one, maybe your man or your woman? Okay, before we go ahead, I want you to write in the comment section what your opinion is. Can love and porn coexist? Have you dropped your answer? Okay, so now let me throw my light on this. What prompted this video is a man that, he said something that I feel like a lot of people have this mentality too. If you love someone, do not make out time with them because you have watched other people do it. Before I say my point, those people that you're watching, it's just like they're acting movies. They are paid actors and actresses. These people can join 3 or 4 clips together, making it look like it's just one time thing. They can join 2 or 3 clips together, making it look like it's just one round that lasted for hours. And you now as a woman, you watch it and then you'll be comparing your lover, your man, whether your boyfriend or your husband, to what you have watched. You will be like, isn't it your man that your fellow man that is lasting hours? Why can't you? You are 2 minutes man. You're like, hello. No man is actually a 2 minutes man. It depends. A lot of men, what I said, and I'm saying it with my full chest, their problem is masturbation. That thing makes them, a man who is addicted to masturbating cannot last much longer in bed, whether it's in the past or in present. It will take time for that person to build that man to build himself again and be able to last in bed, right? Let me keep this one corner so that you hear what I'm saying. So love and porn cannot coexist, especially for women. There's this mentality that women have. A man said that he watches with his partner, and then that it puts them in the mood. If the wife is not in the mood, that he will put it after watching, that the wife will be in the mood immediately and would allow him to have sex with her. Now, what happens when that man is not there? That's the question this man should be asking. This is why I'm doing this video. What happens when he's not there? This man does not know the damages he's doing to his love life. As time goes on, this woman will want this man to be implementing the things they are watching there, not knowing that these people are paid actors and actresses. The way they do their thing is not, you must not necessarily do it that way, but she will expect you to do it. Or you as a man, you will watch some kind of things and you will expect your wife or your girlfriends to do that thing you have just watched. Love and porn cannot coexist. No. It's either you choose your love life, concentrate on it, do it according to your ability and capability. Do it according to how your strength carry you. If you're not lasting long, you can seek medical advice and eat healthy. Dump some things you're not supposed to be taking. Just eating healthy alone can improve how long you last on bed. Let me tell you. Staying away from alcohol can also improve it as a man. Staying away from masturbation as well can help you a lot to last long in bed. So love and porn cannot coexist, and if you have been doing this, maybe watching it with your partner, I think you should put an end to it, because you should consider what happened behind us. What would this woman be doing? You're showing her this, and at the end, he will not be able to do what you have shown her. You will make her to be feeling bad. So it's better you just leave that side. You people as partners should discuss that this person's, weak point is not this person's weak point. I don't know if you understand what I mean by weak point. What turns this person on is not what turns the other on. Ask your partner, what turns you on? What will I do for you to, be happy? What will I do for you to reach orgasm? What will I do for you to enjoy this? And you as a partner, when your man asks you, open up. Tell them. If you don't tell them, they won't know. Tell them where to touch you, how to do it. And they will do it and you will be happy, instead of going to watch paid actors and actresses do it, which will ruin your relationship, which will spoil your mind, which will make, it kills love slowly actually. By the time this person is not meeting up to what you expect, you will start developing kind of hatred to this person. When this person is in the mood, you will not want to be in the mood. I don't know if you are getting my point, if I'm making sense, but yes, avoid porn and build your love life the way you want it. Discuss with your wife, discuss with your girlfriend, discuss with your male friend. Tell them how you want it, where you want them to touch, so you will enjoy it. If you're a man, tell your girlfriend, see this part of my body and this part of my body. If you touch it, I will stand. If you touch it, I love it when you touch this part. And as a woman, tell your man, I want you to touch this part. I want you to touch this part. And they should do it as well. You understand? And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and comment, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Bye.